Hi everyone, I'm Lynn Ayres and I'm the new Vice President for Outlook. I've worked on Outlook for 7 years and it is a huge privilege for me to lead a product that is so crucial to the lives of hundreds of millions of people. Today, it's my pleasure to talk to you about our vision for the future of Outlook. And I'm talking to you not just as our customers, but as our colleagues. Your feedback and your advocacy is crucial to helping us build Outlook. Our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. This isn't just Microsoft's mission. It's the reason our industry exists. IT helps people. You help people. That's at the heart of why we build Outlook. We help the helpers. Through Outlook, we aspire to help them drive positive change in their work, in their lives, and in their communities. Outlook's goal is to give the helpers access to the right tool or app, the right content, the right person at the right time to make a difference. Outlook is a hub for you. It's your personal organizer, your place to focus, connect, and get things done. Outlook is organized around email and calendar, and in the future, you'll see us pulling through capabilities from across M365 and the rich data in the Microsoft Graph. As your personal organizer, Outlook will help you stay on top of things across M365. At work, our customers' projects are more than email or meetings. They involve people, tasks, document plans, and chats. As your personal organizer, Outlook will extend to embed and naturally open M365 capabilities and apps. You'll be able to start a task in Outlook, and Outlook will naturally embed the right tool or open the right app to help you finish it. The M365 Graph ensures that when you transition to another app like Teams or Office, you don't lose your place. And your work is always protected by M365 security, compliance, and identity solutions. Last year, the Outlook team went to Ignite to learn about your challenges and how we can improve. It's humbling to speak with you and hear how crucial Outlook already is to your business and also how much more we can do to help. While we're not done, I'm happy to say that we've delivered on many of your top feedback areas. Thank you for your feedback. We could not build Outlook without you. Integration between Outlook and Teams is crucial. Outlook is a personal organizer and Teams is for teamwork. Magic happens when we bring them together. We partnered with Teams to deliver deeper integration, including one-click meeting join from the calendar surface, meeting onlines by default, the ability to add teams even if you're not an organizer, and share bidirectionally email to Teams and chats to Outlook. We will soon launch an embedded chat experience in web and mobile. You'll be able to make hands-free team calls through Play My Email and mobile, and your meeting notes and recordings will show up in Outlook. Beautiful and natural integration between Outlook and Teams has been a top ask and will continue to be a top priority moving forward. Your feedback was loud and clear around contact management in mobile. We've improved sync capability with local contact apps and added more filtering and category options, and also made it easier to distinguish between personal and work contacts. Partnering with Intune, we've given you a broader set of conditional access controls across the clients. We also support management for Android wearables and new passcode complexities with Android 10. A frequent question last Ignite was, when is something going to show up for our government clouds? We are working hard to shorten the gap between features landing in worldwide and being enabled in government clouds. We recently enabled the brand new web experiences for desktop and mobile browsers, the new To-Do module on web, bookings, Office 365 message encryption, and our improved search service. Moving forward, our One Outlook investments are crucial. We are moving from building fundamentally different Outlook apps with unique capabilities to one Outlook experience powered by the service, which shows up in an app on every platform. This will enable faster and consistent innovation and responses to your feedback. You shouldn't have to understand and manage unique platform differences, and your users should have a familiar Outlook experience when moving between clients. You've probably noticed the Outlook's becoming more similar, for example, with the new OA or the new Mac client, or through mobile's focus on adding enterprise value. You will see this accelerate over the next year. More than ever, our customers' lives are complicated. The pandemic has profoundly impacted every part of our lives. I have personally taken comfort that in our industry, we are privileged to be in a position to help people, to give them tools that help to navigate this transition. As the scope of the pandemic became clear, we went through all of our plans for Outlook, and I'm sure you've had similar exercises, looking for what truly helps our customers and what we can accelerate. We are focused on the areas that will help you and your people be most productive in the hybrid workplace and the new normal. Time management tools to help you make the most of your precious time, helping you stay on top of things from any device, and solutions to keep everyone secure and compliant at home and in the office. Time management is not just about the calendar. It's about managing your busy day across work and life and helping you be balanced while being productive and meeting your commitments to the people who depend on you, including your family. We will make it easy to schedule the right meetings with smart time suggestions, better tools for resource scheduling, which include capacity and room equipment, and giving you one view of your time across work and life. In the past few months, we've adapted our room booking technology to also support workspace bookings to help companies bring employees back to the office while still social distancing. You will see us heavily invest in intelligent scheduling capabilities. Meetings must be better, more effective, and more inclusive. Delivering this is not just about what happens during the meeting. It's about preparation and inclusion before the meeting, keeping people on track during the meeting, and afterwards, turning the decisions that were made into real results. We are building end-to-end solutions across Outlook and Teams for truly better meetings. In the near term, we're providing new settings around remote meetings and meeting recap capabilities like online default, starting or ending early, and easily sharing recordings, transcripts, and notes. We will ensure that you're prepared with suggested docs and emails through Meeting Insights. Over the next year, you'll see Outlook and Teams continue to invest to build innovative, integrated solutions around meetings. You need time to focus on what matters. We've added Do Not Disturb mode to block out distractions and VIP notifications to ensure you're on top of things from key people. We also want to help you block off focus time or me time for breaks when your day is full of meetings. Focus also means accomplishing your goals with deep work. To focus on what matters, we have to understand what matters. This means M365 has to understand your projects, which are not just one email or one document or a meeting. They are collections of people, tasks, documents, plans, and chats. You will see Outlook and the rest of M365 invest to truly understand your projects so that we can help you accomplish them. And with that, I'd like to invite Dave Myers to show us how some of this works in the product.
Thanks, Lynn. This is an exciting area for Outlook, and the team has been hard at work delivering new innovation in time management, including deeper integrations with Teams and tools to help you focus on what matters. These days, I spend most of my time in my inbox or online meetings in Teams. And I'll be honest, I often find myself 5 minutes late to a meeting and fumble through joining as fast as possible. But I'm getting better thanks to the capabilities and integrations in Outlook. On the web, my next meeting is always visible in the top right. and I love how it acts like a countdown until the next meeting starts. If I click on the My Day button in the top bar, I can get a better view of my schedule, but also easily join a Teams meeting with just a click of a button. Jumping over to Calendar, you'll see the same ability to quickly join a meeting with a button right on the calendar event. And if you click to see event details, suggested pre-reads and other related content are shown right on the event peak. Another great example of how we're building deeper integrations with Teams is making chat easily accessible. If I click this chat icon on the top, I can see a quick list of my chats. I'm going to click on the chat for this meeting, which opens up an embedded Teams experience right inside Outlook. I won't be able to make this meeting, so I'll let the group know right here from the calendar. The last thing I want to show on the web are new settings aimed at remote meetings. We've added the option for all meetings to always include an online meeting link. And to combat video call fatigue, there's now an option to have all the meetings you schedule end early or start late. And you can customize it based on the meeting duration. Now let's take a look at a few ways Outlook helps you make the most of your time on mobile. As Lynn mentioned, we're moving towards faster and consistent innovation across clients. One example of that is the countdown to your next meeting at the top of the message list. Very similar to the one we just saw on web. Now when I click on the event details, I'll find related content like files and emails. With one tap, I can quickly view the slides ahead of the meeting. Moving over to the search homepage, another great capability here is the new natural language search and answers for calendar information. I'll tap the mic and ask, when is my next meeting with Pam? Our search service recognizes this question, searches my calendar, and then returns the answer. Let's head over to the calendar and see if we can get another meeting sooner. Schedule a meeting with Pam. Let's pull Megan into the meeting as well. Here, we're using our service to power meeting time suggestions, so I don't have to navigate finding the first time where we're all available. I can choose from a few different options, confirm, and that's it. These are just a few of the ways Outlook is trying to get rid of the hassle with scheduling, and there's a lot more coming in the future.
Thank you, Dave. It's not just the individual that needs better time management. Organizations have the same needs, and a great example is our bookings product. Booking simplifies scheduling and managing appointments with your customers, whether those are consumers or other customers. It's integrated with your employees' calendars in FreeBusy and enables both virtual appointments with Teams as well as in-person appointments. Today, it's integrated with Teams to handle solutions like telehealth and financial services, and it's also available as a standalone app. In the future, this app will seamlessly plug into other Microsoft apps and services the way that it does with Teams virtual visits today. We are proud of how Bookings has addressed a growing need during the pandemic. It's enabled virtual appointments for doctors and parent-teacher conferences. It's also helping to manage the transition back to in-person activities, helping with capacity restrictions and reducing physical lines to support social distancing. We are committed to continuing to evolve Bookings to address the growing need to schedule and manage appointments with customers, both inside and outside of your organization. Outlook helps you be productive and stay on top of things from all of your devices across every platform. Last Ignite, we announced the new Outlook for Mac as a preview. Since then, we've heard so much enthusiasm and feedback for the fast and reliable sync engine and the new, more consistent capabilities for Mac customers. We are working hard to bring you both familiar Outlook experiences as well as exciting features that are brand new to Mac. I am proud to share today that the new Mac Outlook will be available to all customers in October. Our customers describe Outlook as their command center. They expect everything they need from across M365 to be at their fingertips or their voice, adapted to the way they want to work. You have seen us start on this journey, for example, by integrating to-dos and documents throughout the app, in the search homepage, or as answers to queries. We're accelerating this going forward. We're making it easy to stay on top of your Teams chats, meetings, and recordings from inside Outlook without losing focus. We are taking things a step further with a new app rail on the left-hand side, a space that belongs to the customer and lets them easily access all of the M365 apps that matter to them and keep track of most recent content like notes or to-dos from each app. You'll see us continue to make M365 apps and scenarios easy to use from within Outlook. We use intelligence to help you get things done on the go. Play My Emails empowers you with the ability to listen, triage, and respond to emails with your voice. We've recently expanded into time management, enabling you to respond to meeting invites, schedule meetings, or start Teams calls with your voice. When you're typing, we use AI to help you with suggested replies, text predictions, and be your best self through editor, grammar correction, and tone analysis. These are the first of many investments around leveraging AI to help you get things done with less effort. We are committed to being the best email, calendar, and productivity apps on every platform. That means we will always leverage new hardware innovation. We've built special UI for foldables to help you take advantage of multiple screens, and we're adding new capabilities into OS widgets and customizable smartwatch faces. We're also making sure that our voice experiences like Play My Emails work with peripherals such as Surface Buds. And now I'm going to ask Dave to show us how some of this works in the product.
Thanks, Lynn. I totally agree that Outlook is becoming my command center on every device. The integrations with other M365 apps and AI capabilities help me get things done on the go, but also make it super easy to multitask. Even though my commute is virtual these days, the voice capabilities in Outlook really help me stay productive when I go for a walk in the neighborhood or run on the treadmill. So let's check out how Cortana helps me get through my emails hands-free.
You've got 3 emails right now, including a change to your day. This'll take a couple of minutes. About 45 minutes ago, Pam Zimmerman invited you to Team Sync at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. You've got Sonia Reese's Project Crete Design Kickoff.
Accept.
You're marked as accepted. About 45 minutes ago, Lydia Holloway sent a quick email about advertising guidelines just to you. There's a request for you. Here's what it says. Could you send me the doc? Thanks. That's the whole email.
Add this to my tasks.
I added that to your tasks. About 45 minutes ago, Gerhard Mahler sent a short email about marketing costs just to you. Here's the message. I'm getting a little worried. Can we discuss on a call soon? That's the whole email.
Set up a meeting.
All right, looks like you're both free at 3 p.m. tomorrow. You've got Project Crete Research Kickoff and another event right before. Should I book this?
Yes.
I've scheduled this and sent the invite. That's all for now.
That's pretty cool. But what I love about the AI power is that it's always getting enhanced with new ways to help me get things done inside Outlook and the rest of M365. Let's head over to the search page to see a few other ways Outlook helps you find what you need and stay on top of things. This view is great with relevant Office documents from people I work with and files from my emails. It also shows me my latest tasks from the To-Do app, including the one Cortana just added. And I can mark things as complete from right here. It's also my jumping off point whenever I need to launch another Office app or OneDrive. But it's getting even better thanks to new natural language and voice capabilities. I can hit the mic to send an email to Alex. And I can even use it to call someone from Teams. Call Megan on Teams. Again, another great example of how Outlook uses AI to help you be more productive. And since we just saw how to start a Teams call from Outlook, let's quickly check out a new chat integration. We obviously think email is great, but sometimes you just need that synchronous communication you get with chat. And now we have an easy way to transition a conversation from email to Teams with just the tap of a button. It's pretty great because that one tap launches Teams, creates a chat, adds everyone from the email, and uses the email subject for the chat name. That's just a few ways Outlook is helping you stay productive on any device. There's still a lot more rolling out now and coming in the future.
Thank you, Dave. Security and compliance are at the heart of Outlook because they provide peace of mind for customers, admins, and executives. The shift to remote and hybrid workplaces makes security and compliance even more crucial. With conditional access, Outlook on the web is already a secure, compliant, and managed client. For mobile, we're building on top of Intune to add more data controls like blocking unmanaged data on mobile and supporting device management for Android wearables. We're building out a broad set of capabilities with sensitivity labeling naturally integrated into Outlook. You can customize the solution for your organization with support for automatic, mandatory, or recommended labeling. We are adding auditing capabilities to help you meet your compliance and regulatory requirements. Personally, I have found that the move to remote work makes authenticity even more important. It is hard to be separated by screens, and I miss seeing how people are really feeling. We believe that Outlook can better help people express their authentic selves. The first of many investments here is reactions. We are introducing a new way to express yourself in Outlook. You'll be able to laugh, heart, celebrate, or shed a tear in your emails because people are more complex than just a thumbs up. It will start shipping to clients around the new year. And with that, I want to say thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for helping to build Outlook. And thank you for helping so many people in your organizations navigate these difficult times. Our vision for Outlook is centered on helping people by providing a personal organizer that gives them access to the right tool at the right time. We have a great lineup of sessions across Outlook, Exchange, and Bookings, and I hope you will participate and share your feedback with us.